Hi, Banele. Thanks so much for your question. So we're just going to be looking at the commutative law of addition in this video. And we just need to remember a couple of things when we're looking at this. The commutative law says that if I have the numbers 1 plus 2, we can even say plus 3. It doesn't really matter what order I add them in. They should give me exactly the same answer. I know if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's going to give me 6. But if I add this as 2 first, so if I go 2 plus 1 plus 3, this should give me the exact same answer that I had before. So 2 plus 1, that will give me 3, plus 3 will give me 6. And again, even if I use 3 first, if I use 3 plus 1 plus 2, it's going to give me exactly the same answer every time. So it doesn't really matter which number comes first. The answer in the end is going to be exactly the same. And that's the same kind of concept that we have with these two questions that we're going to be doing here on the left-hand side. Now, if we start with 5y plus x squared, I know that I can rewrite 5y plus x squared as x squared plus 5y. Both of these are going to give us the exact same answer, and we can test this. Let's start by using 5y. So now we know that the rule says that y is going to be equal to -3 and x is going to be equal to 2. So we're going to start with this first one here. We're going to do this one first, and we're going to substitute these into the formula that we have. Let me just remove this one that we have here. I'm going to remove this one, and we're going to work with the one before it, and we're going to see if it indeed does give us the same answer. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what answer it gives us. So we're going to have 5 multiplied by y, so that's going to be 5 multiplied by -3 plus 2 squared. And that is going to give me 5 multiplied by -3. That's going to give me -15 plus 2 squared. That's 2 multiplied by itself. That would give me 4. And -15 plus 4, that should give me -11. Right, and that is the first one that we're using. Now let's see what happens when we flip the script and we write x squared plus 5y, because those two are exactly the same. So now we're going to write here x squared plus 5y, and we're going to do the exact same thing with the exact same numbers, and it should give us the answer -11. Let's see if it does. Okay, so x squared, we know x is equal to 2, so we're going to get 2 squared plus 5 multiplied by y, that'll be 5 multiplied by -3, and that's going to give us 2 squared is 4, and 5 multiplied by -3, that's -15. And 4 minus 15 does indeed give us -11. Okay, do you think you can use this exact same rule that we used here to solve for 2x plus y? Do you think you can do that? I'm going to do it with you in a bit. Just pause the video and see if you can do it yourself. Okay, so if we use the same numbers that we've had here, 2 is going to be equal to, or x is going to be equal to 2 and y is going to be equal to -3. And we're first going to test 2x plus y. So we're going to go 2 multiplied by x, which is 2, plus negative, I'm going to put this in brackets, -3, because that positive and negative are going to multiply each other. And this is going to give me 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. Plus and minus, that will give me -3 is equal to 4 minus 3 should give me 1, which means when I rewrite my sum using the commutative law of addition, I should get y plus 2x, and it should give me the exact same answer. Let's see if it does. Okay, so we know y is equal to -3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. And this is going to give us negative 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. And negative 3 plus 4 does indeed give us 1. And this is how we solve these questions. Please do try have a look at the videos and do some of the exercises on the Watobi app about the commutative law of addition and the associative law of addition. They're very good at explaining the concept and they'll help you grasp it a lot more. All right, good luck.